All right, Royals, today is a man cave slash family room slash TV lounge update. Now, we visited this space a few months ago when I gave my love his color scheme of choice, which was ultra masculine black with splashes of gray. Now, we knew that we wanted to make some changes right away and some changes we agreed to make later on down the line. So we added a new rug, we added a few new pillows, just shopped my home to create a nice relaxing space for him to game, for us to enjoy movies, what you do in a family space. However, upon living in the space for a while, we decided there were a few more things that we needed to add just to cozy it up a bit. Now here I'm showing you just an overview of what this space looked like previously. And in true royal fashion, I'm going to give you a real life update as to what's going on now. As you can see, we live in this space. I have several events back to back, and so I have stored items for an event in this space. We've been gaming, we've been movie watching, we've been cleaning, laundering, all of the things that we do. So let's hop into this man cave family room slash TV lounge refresh. I'm going to start by removing everything and just getting this space nice and clean. You'll see some additions that I've added, being the Ottoman for extra storage, the sea tables just to give us a space to eat or just double as a console or side table, which you'll see shortly, and all of the things that we needed in this space. Although I was loving the additions, there was still something missing. We have this gray sofa and we've had it for about 4 years now, and we knew that it wasn't our number one choice, but it fit the space, and I just wanted to revamp it. So this portion of today's video is sponsored by MammaMia Slipcovers. This is a wonderful way, you guys, to update a space without breaking the bank. MammaMia was so wonderful to send me out this beautiful black slipcover, and it is amazing. The texture, the feel, the fabric is just second to none, you guys. Guys, I chose the microfiber and I absolutely love it. As you can see, it is super stretchy, machine washable, extremely durable, feels amazing, and best of all, it's water repellent, guys, and it's hubby proof and kid proof. So before I get it placed, I am going to go ahead and do a little light cleaning in the space to get everything nice and spruced up. One great thing I will say about MammaMia is that they have a wide variety of slip covers to fit any piece of furniture that you need, be it a 3-seater sofa, a 2-seater sofa. You can even get the pillow inserts. I chose just a more modern, clean line, no pillow separations. I just wanted to clean it up and modernizing it just a little bit because it is a very traditional style sofa, and I wanted to switch up the vibe, if you will. You can choose from wingback chairs to Parsons chairs, office chairs, you name it. MammaMia has a slip cover to give your space a nice, amazing update. So I will leave the link in my description box for your shopping pleasures. But until then, let's get back into this refresh.
And I never wanna be your girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend.
Now, guys, I will admit that upon applying this slipcover, I was a bit skeptical. I did not think that it was going to fit my sofa, but as you can see, it has maximum stretchable capabilities. And so once I got it positioned properly on the sofa, the rest was completely easy. Now here you'll see me attaching it, just inserting it in the corners with my hand, but it does come with the cardboards that are designed to help you stuff it in and get it deeper into the creases of your sofa.
Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out, you stop caring about it. Don't let your hair get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. Precious cargo. Be careful with my heart. Oh, say I'm not sensitive.
As you can see, guys, it went on with ease, and I am thoroughly impressed. I love the totally new look and feel that it gave this sofa. It took this traditional style sofa from traditional to transitional, which is my goal here. I knew that we wanted to eventually go with an all black or black on black design, and so I felt like this would give me just an early preview of what it would look like in our future space. So now that that's on, let's go ahead and do some more cleaning.
Sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall.
Cleaning is done and it's time for fun. Guys, playing around with this monochromatic color scheme. I knew that I wanted to build on texture, and the microfiber slipcover provided the perfect foundation for that. And so upon that, I'm just going to build on textures of the black. Different textures will definitely bring interest to a monochromatic color scheme. Of course, I'm going to keep with that little splash of gray. I have some more pillows that have not arrived yet that will fit the space better, but for now I'm going to use what I have. And even as with anything, guys, I'm styling this space, and there's some things that I'm looking at that I'm not quite satisfied with, but I will again use what I have until I can get what I want, or find what I want in this case. So what I'm speaking of are the metal pieces on the wall behind the sofa. It's really not giving what I needed to give, because I'm loving the teardrop mirror pieces from Inspire Me Home Decor on the larger wall, but I need something that would complement that and not fight against it. So I'm feeling like that is fighting against it, but leave me your opinion. Let me know what you think. But I want to keep this masculine because it is predominantly used by my love. But I also want it to be aesthetically pleasing because we do engage in this space for movie nights and that type of thing as well. So another issue I'm having is that I don't feel like I know that it's not the proper scale. So again, until I find what I want, it'll just remain in place unless I find another one that fits it. But that will probably be changing.
Take your time. When we kiss, I can be myself with you. Kiss me now, I insist. Make me yours, just take me now. I'm helpless to resist. Got me so.
In the end, guys, I end up with a nice masculine, in my opinion, man cave slash TV lounge slash family room refresh to the refresh. So this is definitely a work in progress, but I want to definitely thank MammaMia Slipcovers for sending me out this amazing slipcover, because again, it helps to usher in the overall look that we're going for in the man cave slash family lounge. So thanks again. I absolutely love it. As you can see, that texture plays beautifully off of the faux fur black throw and the velvet pillow cover. These nice masculine pieces just really speak to my husband's style. He is not a frilly frou-frou guy, but he has, I would like to say, a traditional style. He likes nice things. So he definitely had a hand on picking 90% of the things that are in this space. And so we love it. And we will be adding things and switching things out periodically. And I will definitely take you guys along for the tour. Now, a brief update on where things came from. The 3D wall art is from Amazon. The teardrop mirrors are from Inspire Me Home Decor. The metal wall art on the wall adjacent is from Ross. Here, you guys, this slip cover is, of course, from MammaMia Slipcovers. The Faux Fur Throw is from Amazon. The gray pillows are from Burlington. I absolutely love this black on black. The velvet pillow cover is from Amazon. It's a 24 by 24, and I have a down alternative insert that's a 26 by 26, also from Amazon. Additional pieces in the space, the rug, ottoman, and the sea tables are all from Amazon, and I will have everything that I can linked in my description box. Moving over now to our dry bar area. Not much changed here. We just added a few more drinking accessories, some more shot glasses, things of that nature. And of course, we have to have it stocked with wine because that's what I like, and stocked with liqueur because that's what my love likes. So mind your business, but I love this space, guys. Now, if you are new here and you see what you like and you like what you see, hit that subscribe button and join our royal family. As you can see, we are full of inspiration, motivation, and so much creativity, and we would love to have you come along and be a part of this royal journey with us. If you haven't already, connect with me on my other social media platforms. I can be found at RoyalTDesignswithTravina on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Now, to my tried and trues and my brand new boos, you guys know that I so love and appreciate you. Thank you all for your continued support. Guys, there is so much more where this came from, because in addition to the family room, we are going to be updating some other spaces, and I would love for you to check out and be inspired by all of these summer updates. Your girl is already planning for fall, so be ready for the ultimate fall haul. Until then, guys, I want you all to stay safe, remain royal, and have yourselves a blessed and most beautiful day. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.